So right here is going to be an update to my Milwaukee pack out for my mobile mechanic business that I'm starting. So first 4 drawers, I have the gear wrench, 1/4 inch and 3/8 set that you can buy at Home Depot right now that comes with the ratcheting wrenches. So the first drawer is all the bits here at the top. I put the towel down so that way when it's in the truck and it's bouncing, this actually is enough to stop the vibration from shaking it loose. So then down here is the ratcheting wrenches for the standard, and then the 1/4 inch stuff right here, the ratchet. You get deep, you get shallows. It's a really good setup, and then also you get the torque stuff. Then we go down to here. This is the 3/8 stuff right here in this drawer. I just don't have the wrench in there. Again, you get deeps, you get shallows. The one thing it doesn't cover is it doesn't have a deep 12 or a deep 11, which is just, found that out the hard way. Needed a 12 and then found out I didn't have a deep. So we'll be fixing that. This drawer down here, I have my Milwaukee 1/2 inch impacts, my deeps right here. And then I actually put in a little rail. Don't recommend doing that because then you got to modify the bottom of the case, but it's gonna be fine. So I have these are just Pittsburgh 1/2 inch shallows right here. And then I got some bits there, a relearn tool, and one miscellaneous, 2 miscellaneous. I guess the socket just came off the rail. So I'll put that back. And then the bottom drawer, this is gonna be, I'm gonna set this up for my 3/8 impact sockets and stuff like that. And then my Torx bits. So one of these is gonna be strictly just for oil changes. And then like oil filter attachments and all that kind of stuff. Then right here, I got my impacts. I got, this is my drill. I actually have the rigid mid-torque impact below. I got the stubby. I got the 1/2 inch stubby 12 ridge. And then I got the 3/8 Milwaukee impact, Milwaukee, electric ratchet. And then batteries, wrenches. I want to do another wrench set on this one and stuff like that. And then we go down here, I have my impact. And then this bottom drawer, I'm going to figure out. And I want to put my scan tools into those drawers there at the bottom. But obviously they won't fit with the case. So that's going to be my setup. So if you guys have any comments, any other ideas that I should do, that you would do if this was yours. I love this setup. I've already had my first client and I love the way this worked out, having this in the back of my truck where I could take all these off and then stack them. And then I was able to go down the parking lot because it was an apartment complex and the car wasn't able to move. So I couldn't get my truck next to them. I didn't want to block anyone. So this was just great because I parked the truck and then I could just drag this over and it was super simple. And it's very sturdy, surprisingly. Again, just can't have all the drawers open because otherwise, yeah, it would fall over. But if you guys have any ideas of what I should do, more comments, stuff like that, comment them down below. If you like this video, get a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And hope to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.